BGI Americas was established in 2010 as a subsidiary for BGI, the world's largest genomics organization. We provide comprehensive sequencing and bioinformatics services for medical, agricultural, and environmental applications. Customers benefit from our cutting-edge technologies and scientific expertise that have generated over 600 publications, many in top-tier journals such as Nature and Science. To better serve customers in North and South America, we have established 2 joint genome centers in the U.S., one at UC Davis and the other one at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia.
What the BGI CHOP allows us to do is to have researchers not worry about the mechanics of generating the sequence. They can take their material, whether it's DNA or RNA, and give it to the laboratory, and they know that they're going to get back excellent quality data. They're going to get it back within a reasonable time frame, and that way they can focus on the analysis of the data and on their research questions. The staff just have a very rigorous approach to data quality, sample quality control. Investigators' expectations always increase, so people now want faster turnaround time, more data, and the laboratory's been very flexible in trying to accommodate those needs. The team is very cooperative, they're very interactive with the investigator, trying to make sure that customer satisfaction is important.
In August 2012, we started preparation of all CAP-related documentation and validation of our whole exome workflow. In spring 2014, we passed the official inspection by CAP inspector. Now we're officially entering the clinical exome service.
My group specifically focuses on developing novel therapeutics for the treatment of autoimmune diseases such as lupus and RA. So our goals are to try and develop some novel and transformational therapeutics for the treatment of these patients so that they can have a better quality of life. One of the big challenges we have is trying to identify those patients that we can treat with our drugs. And by sequencing these patients and understanding the disease, we can better try to identify those who might benefit from the drug. So what I appreciate most about BGI is that the staff aims to please. No matter how big of a challenge we throw at them, they're able to deliver the results that we need by providing innovative solutions to our questions. I think one of the other things that we appreciate about working with BGI is dealing with big data. And they're able to provide us with the services to really handle and understand the big data sets that they produce from their sequencing services. We're hoping that through working with BGI, we're going to be able to develop a transformational therapeutic, but by using their services, we're really going to identify those patients in the clinic that are going to benefit from our drug.
In 2012, BGI and UC Davis entered this partnership. This lab is established to bring high-quality sequencing services at affordable prices to researchers at UC Davis and in the United States. We've been working with customers from a variety of backgrounds and many different applications. We've been providing sequencing services to people from both academia and industry. We've also done scientific collaborations on more complex projects such as de novo assembling.
My laboratory is an immunology laboratory. We study a variety of topics, but one of our main things is to look at T-cell repertoire analysis. And for these experiments, we use next-generation sequencing. Next-generation sequencing is a process by which millions, even billions of reads can be massively parallel sequenced all simultaneously. And the sequencing that we do in our lab, the ultimate goal is to create sequencing clusters. The clusters should be different to get good sequences. In our case, the clusters are very similar, which creates a variety of problems. BGI has helped us resolve some of these issues so that we can get excellent sequences.
We have 8 Illumina HiSeqs. 3 of them are the latest 2500 mode. They offer the sequencing services in both rapid mode and high output mode. We also have 1 ARM proton system from Life Technologies so that our customer has multiple choices. We also have computing and IT resources that allows us to store up to 500 terabytes data and do the bioinformatics analysis at the speed of 3 T-flops. With all those instruments, we're able to offer a comprehensive service package, including library preparation, sequencing, and bioinformatics analysis to our clients. Compared to most sequencing facilities, we've added more QC step in our daily workflow. This makes our data more robust and a lot of times helps our customer to troubleshoot their experiment design.
I've been pleasantly surprised with the BGI sequencing service. They proved to be a very friendly, efficient, and accommodating sequencing service. When we first started out with next generation sequencing, it was a very new technology. Now we've become very proficient, and with their help, it's one of our staples in our laboratory.
In the future, we're looking forward to growing and improving our services. We're trying to establish new working flow and pipelines to further lower the cost for our customers and the turnaround time. We're also trying to bring sequencers from Complete Genomics, a company acquired by BGI last year, to offer our customers more options. With the strength of UC Davis and BGI's expertise in genomics and bioinformatics, we're able to change the landscape of the genomic research in California and the United States.